What's up, y'all? JSB the Creator. I'm back again with a new creation today for y'all. Hey, what's up, y'all? How's everything going? Eventually I'm gonna come up with a name for y'all. So for now, I'm gonna call y'all. All right. So today's video, I'm gonna be working on these, Jordan 6s, Quai 54s. Alright, so those unfamiliar with the Quai 54, it is basically a Paris street ball tournament that takes place every year, and basically Jordan Brand does a collaboration shoe with them, and so they usually drop like a pair of retros, done a pair of threes, pair of one, Quai 54 5. It's the famous pair that everyone knows about, the white and the black pair. And then there's this year's shoe. So with this year's shoe, client hit me up, told me, hey man, it's too much white going on, I'm not feeling the colorway, it gotta pop for me to have it, you know? So I was like, okay man, I got you. So he wants me to remix this pair of Quai 54s and do it the way that Jordan Brand should have done it, or at least the way he thinks Jordan Brand should have done it, or the way I think Jordan Brand should have done it. Yeah. So I'm gonna be remixing these, trying to make them pop a little bit more, because quite frankly, to be honest, they are a little bit boring looking. I mean, you know, it's a lot of white going on. They are fresh though, but still, client wants me to make them pop a little bit more. I kind of just don't want to go crazy on and just do whatever I want to do. I kind of want to stick to this pattern right here. This is a West African print, so I kind of want to make sure the shoe stays true to that. I don't want to just go completely crazy on them and just do whatever I want. So I'm going to try and make it match that print, and we're going to see how these come out, man. I'm excited to see what happens, man. Maybe this is the colorway that Jordan Brand should have did. Maybe, who knows? But we'll see how that goes. But let's get into it.
Your Highness.
Once again, guys, thanks for checking out today's video on these Quai 54 Jordan 6 remixes. Wait, let me say that right. But yeah, man, colorway came out way better than I expected, man. The leather on these is like a super matte type of leather. Like it's close to suede. Like it almost looked like it was suede when I opened up the box, but it's not suede. But you know, it gives it like a nice matte finish. I mean, it's like a dehydrated leather. That's the best way I could describe it. You know, it helps the matte color helps make the, you know, the African patterns pop, and helps the, you know, the orange colors pop too. So like I said, man, super tough colorway. And like I said before, I wanted to make sure the shoe matched the African pattern. that's on the side panels. So I think I did a pretty good job. Like I said, these came out super tough, man. Like I even added a little color shift to the tongue, you know, something different, you know, about my flavors. So, you know, I had to add some flavor to that. And yeah, man, they came out super nice. I mean, Jordan Brand, this is probably the colorway they should have released. I mean, these would have probably had more hype on them if they dropped in this colorway. But yeah, man, like I said though, thanks for checking out today's video. Like I said, if you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to stay updated on any of my posts. But yeah, follow me on social media. And until next time, man, I gotta ship these out to the owner. Can't wait to get them back to them. Yeah, until next time, man, I got a couple more projects dropping. Stay tuned and enjoy the holidays, man. It's beautiful out here in Miami. It's a cool 70 degrees, so you know it's winter. And yeah, I'm gonna enjoy being outside. I'm gonna enjoy the weather, enjoy the holidays, spend time with your family. Stay safe out there. The Rona is not gone, but enjoy your holidays. Peace.